Despite the ongoing Ripple case, Arrington Capital has filed with the SEC for an XRP-based hedge fund. Also, another 1 billion XRP have been released from escrow by Ripple Labs as part of their monthly token unlock program. Finally, what is the SEC's real reason for suing Ripple? Keep reading to find out the rest. If this is something that interests you, watch this brand new video right now. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments in the world of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Arrington Capital has recently filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission to start an XRP-based hedge fund, according to Reaper Financial CEO Patrick L. Riley. This was announced over the weekend via a tweet in which he quoted a photo of Michael Arrington, founder of Arrington Capital, and Brad Garlin, CEO of Ripple. In light of Arrington Capital's latest SEC filing, Riley has said that everything is expected to go well. It's possible that Arrington Capital's decision to start a hedge fund based on XRP may come as a shock to some. The crypto world, in particular, is waiting for a summary judgment ruling in the litigation between the SEC and Ripple. Whether or not issuing XRP as an unregistered security constitutes a violation of federal laws is at the heart of the action against Ripple and its executives. Arrington Capital has submitted paperwork to the SEC in order to open an XRP-based hedge fund while the lawsuit is still open. The decision has sparked debate among XRP users. There have been rumors floating around on Twitter that Arrington Capital may have gotten a sneak peek of the case. Arrington Capital, founded in 2017, is a thesis-driven investor in digital assets and Web3. The Arrington XRP website claims a multi-strategy hedge fund. Capital focuses on early-stage and public market firms. Hedge funds, as a point of reference, are investment pools that use a wide variety of methods in the pursuit of high returns for its investors. Investors in hedge funds typically need a sizable starting capitalization or annual income above a certain threshold. Hedge funds typically attract the investment of high net worth individuals, institutional investors, and pension funds. The SEC has stated in writing that hedge funds are exempt from complying with certain rules meant to safeguard investors' money. For instance, a hedge fund manager will be exempt from the SEC's requirement that they register and submit periodic public reports. However, this is conditional on the size of the hedge fund's holdings. Hedge fund managers, like all other market participants, must comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. In order to be among the first to learn about any new developments involving XRP, please subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications. Cryptocurrency whale tracking website Whale Alert claims that Ripple released $1 billion worth of XRP from escrow over the course of 5 separate transactions, with the first release being $100 million. The crypto giant also released $400 million and $200 million from escrow for the next 2 deals. Even more XRP was released by Ripple from its escrow account for the 4th and 5th transactions, totaling 100 million and 200 million XRP, respectively. Bitham records show that all 5 deals went down on July 1st. Even though the deal closed on July 1st, Alert didn't tweet about it until July 2, 2023. The cryptocurrency industry's tracking service recently admitted that it was having trouble with the Ripple API, making it more difficult to notify transactions as soon as they occurred. The company has promised crypto fans that a solution is in the works. It's important to note that these deals are linked to Ripple's regular token unlock program. Since 2017, Ripple has released massive amounts of XRP from its escrow account. Ripple's monthly XRP unlock, for example, is often reported on the first of the month to help maintain a constant price for XRP. Even after releasing 1 billion XRP from escrow, the large sum of money is typically returned to escrow within a day or 2. This action is part of its endeavor to keep the XRP price stable and to eventually satisfy ODeal's expectations. If this message is not accompanied by a Ripple has held back any sums of XRP in escrow, you will be notified immediately. Meanwhile, the price of XRP did not react significantly to the release of 1 billion tokens. The current XRP price is 48 cents, a decrease of 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Similarly, XRP is 0.5% lower. CoinGecko data shows that throughout the past week, even though the SEC is alleging in its lawsuit against Ripple that XRP is an unregistered security, its use continues to skyrocket. According to the announcement, the RW, a protocol, has incorporated the XRP ledger in order to launch the first ever mortgage-backed stablecoin on the network. The burning question of the day is this: why is the SEC suing Ripple, and what are they hoping to accomplish by doing so? In order to be among the first to learn about any new developments involving XRP, please subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications. Attorney John Deaton, founder of a crypto law firm, has turned to Twitter to criticize the SEC's claim against Ripple Labs. Former SEC head Jay Clayton met with Gary Gensler on December 21, 2020, and the famous Bitcoin enthusiast tweeted yesterday that the American people deserve to know what was discussed. Clayton's public calendar shows that he met with Gensler twice during his final month as SEC chairman. 2 meetings were held in December of 2020, the first on December 14 and the second on December 21. The day before the commission filed suit against Ripple and 2 of its executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, Clayton met with Gensler for the last time in an official capacity. The lawsuit against Ripple was filed on December 22, 2020, after Clayton had instructed the Enforcement Division to do so. In response, Deaton remarked that it was unusual for the SEC to file a case of this magnitude on the day the chairman resigned. It should be noted that other high-ranking SEC personnel, such as the directors of Corporation Finance, Trading and Markets, TNM, and the Enforcement Division, also left the agency around the same time. Professor Joseph Grindfest, who accurately predicted an SEC exodus, characterized the departure of these high-ranking employees as a mass exodus that warranted evident worry. With Clayton's retirement and those of other prominent SEC directors, Professor Grindfest argued that the Commission's use of discretion has come into doubt. Deaton, a prominent attorney, essentially said, "What is your real motive for filing this case?" In reference to a tweet from Brian Costello, who was responding to an interview with Clayton, Deaton made the remark in question. According to news reports from last week, Clayton has expressed his displeasure with the current enforcement strategy used by United States regulators, which involves filing many lawsuits against cryptocurrency businesses, even some that the Securities and Exchange Commission predicts would not succeed. According to Clayton, the new attitude of U.S. regulators represents a sea change in how people in the United States think about the government. In light of this new information, Costello remarked that it is about time an SEC whistleblower revealed Clayton's cover-up of crimes relating to China. Deaton, meantime, has kept weighing in on the SEC versus Ripple case. Recently, the renowned attorney addressed a number of concerns about the case in a live broadcast. Moreover, it failed to dispel a few myths circulating among crypto enthusiasts. Dean, as reported, stated that there is no hidden agenda behind the lawsuit and that all of the allegations made in the complaint are true. He said that one of the parties can appeal Judge Torres's summary decision, sending the case all the way to the Supreme Court. This video has reached its conclusion. Please leave a like if you found it entertaining. Please hit the like button and sign up for my channel. We'll see you in the next video.